Hey guys, before this video starts, I thought I'd let all you know that this first clip had some real audio issues. Sorry it sounds so bad, but I thought I'd give you a warning and heads up. So anyway, let's jump right in. Yo everybody, what's going on? We're back for another video today. I know it's been a while, but about a 2-week hiatus, and I'm sorry about that. While I was away, you guys actually accomplished my goal of 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, I appreciate it. Thank you for all the support so far. You don't understand how greatly appreciated it is to have that support. But today we're going to be doing a workout video, 5 in-home tutorial workout video, body weight exercises. And hopefully you guys can use this when you can't get to the gym, or somewhere that doesn't have a gym, or if you can't pay to get into a gym, anything. 5 workouts that could really help you out. They're going to be body weight exercises because we're ninjas here. That's what we do. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we're going to be doing 5 in-home workouts that virtually anyone can do. We're going to be doing push-ups, dips, squats, dive bomber push-ups, and burpees. These are all great in-house workouts that anyone can do, and it'll really give you a good workout if you do them properly. Alrighty, so first up on the list we have push-ups, and push-ups are probably one of the most simple body weight exercises you can do. It's mostly just keeping your back flat and your arms flared to the side so you hit your chest properly and not so much your triceps. And yeah, you want to make sure you keep your head straight and bring your chest to the floor. But if you can't really do a regular push-up, you can always do knee push-ups to get the technique proper and to get used to your body weight. And if regular push-ups are too easy for you, you can always substitute in clapper push-ups, and I find these to be a really good explosive exercise that you can use instead of regular push-ups. Alrighty, so next workout we got here are chair dips. These are fairly simple. All you need is a chair, and what you're going to do is extend your legs straight out, and you're going to slide your butt just slightly off the edge of the chair. When you dip down, make sure to keep your arms straight back so that would target your tricep muscle. You don't want them to flare out to the sides. And yeah, that's about it. Alright, so next exercise on the list are squats. And squats are fairly simple, especially when you're just doing body weight ones. So the technique really is when you're bending down to a squat, you don't want to let your knees go over your toes, and you really want to get your butt low, and it really works your quad muscles. You can also do jumping squats for a good explosive exercise. If regular squats are too easy for you, you can always try pistol squats, which are basically the same exact thing, just one leg is extended out and you're using one leg to squat with, as shown here. Alrighty, so the next exercise we got here are dive bomber push-ups, and dive bomber push-ups are kind of an awkward looking exercise. They really work your shoulders, triceps, and chest all at the same time. So the technique that you're really going to want to look for is to imagine that you're pushing yourself underneath like a fence or something like that. You're going to use your shoulders to push yourself down, and your chest and triceps to push you back up into like a snake position. So you're using your shoulders to push down and your chest and triceps to push up. And then your shoulders to push back through, just like that. And that's a dive bomber push-up. Alrighty, the last exercise we got here are burpees, and burpees are basically 2 exercises put together for a good cardio workout. It's push-ups and squats, both put together. So the technique you're really going to want is doing a half squat first, and then you're going to want to kick your feet back into a push-up position, just like this, and then you're going to go back into a squat position and push up for another half squat, and that is 1 full burpee. And you can keep consistently doing that for 10-20 reps, and that'll give you a good cardio workout for about 2 or 3 sets. Okay, that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more behind the scenes content and when videos will be coming out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below that you liked it. If not, let me know. I'll find something better to do. But hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys later.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible.